Every modern business has ongoing tasks that need to be managed on a regular basis. It's difficult to efficiently manage all tasks in-house. With decades of experience in security, Arrakis can help you stabilize your environment and increase the chances of success. Most companies focus only on profit and end up finding themselves in a nightmare of legal or financial sanctions. These sanctions can devastate companies that don't take this seriously. Arrakis is called in to support companies in deep need of expertise to reduce the potential of this risk and when the client is on the brink of a possible investigation or audit. All Arrakis personnel are not only trainers in an international setting, but also practice what they preach when providing consultative services to regulated clients. Arrakis can help you become familiar with the regulatory environments and provide comprehensive training to enable your personnel in a manner where they are better armed to deal with regulations, auditors, or information security in general. Training can be performed remotely or in person at our location or in your facilities. For more information or any questions regarding our services, you can email us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com with the subject line as compliance.